Welcome to Cooking with Kang. What if I told you you can make this cheeseburger in less time than going to a McDonald's and way less time than ordering from Uber Eats? The goal is to make this cheeseburger in under 5 minutes. Here is the list of ingredients. Nothing fancy today. Feel free to use whatever condiment you like or have around. Let's put up a clock and go. Start by heating up a 12-inch frying pan on high heat. Spray with a little cooking oil. Now gather up all the ingredients. With the ground beef, make 2 balls slightly smaller than a baseball and slightly bigger than a ping pong ball. Place the ground beef in the pan. Now wash your hands. The pan should be pretty hot by the time you finish washing your hands. With a spatula, smash the ground beef into patties. Now hit the burgers with Old Bay and fresh black ground pepper. Use regular salt if you don't have any Old Bay. I like Old Bay because regular salt is boring. Okay, now slice the onions and get your cheese ready. I'm using red onions and good old American cheese today. Now put the sliced onions in the pan. Now flip the burgers over. I should have used a metal spatula here. I would have been able to get under the burger much better. Oops. Place a sliced cheese on top of the burgers. The onions will need a little more cook time, so I will place them underneath one of the patties. Place a patty with no onions underneath it on top of the other patty. Let's toast the buns. Go ahead and turn the heat off. Place the pickles on top of the cheese. Flip the buns over and squeeze some ketchup on one side and mustard on the other. The only thing left to do is assemble the burger. And that's it. Simple and delicious. So much better than anything you can get from a fast food joint. You hungry yet? Let me know in the comments if you think regular salt is boring. And also, please like, share, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching Cooking with Kang.